Good morning. We are going to continue talking about lemons. What we're going to do today is make a good old-fashioned chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is when you put two different things together and they create something new. In this case, we're going to use a lemon. And you know from the videos that a lemon is acidic. It contains acid. So the first thing we need to do is we need to roll this lemon, because by rolling it, it will get the lemon nice and juicy. So go ahead, take turns, roll your lemon for about 2 minutes. And as you roll, you want to push down. We are now going to cut the lemon. And I am working on a plate so that you can see a little bit better. If you have younger kids, it may be better to work in a bowl because this can get a little messy. But I'm going to use a plate. So you only need half of the lemon. Before we continue, let me just tell you what other ingredients we're going to need for the rest of this experiment so you make sure to have everything you need. We'll need food coloring. We'll need baking soda, dish soap, Dawn dish soap, and a spoon. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to carefully, I use the back end of my spoon, you're going to carefully just poke a couple of different holes in your lemon. You can see I'm not squeezing it super hard. I'm just making just a few holes so that some of the juice comes to the surface. Now what you're going to do is take some food coloring. You can do one color, you can do two colors. You don't need tons, just a drop or two. If you're using multiple colors, you really only just need one or two of each. And you can just go ahead and put it throughout the lemon, like so. All right, and again, you want to hold it up carefully so that the food coloring goes down in it. And now you just need a couple of drops of Dawn dish soap. Now, the lemon is the acid. We're going to add the base, and the base is the baking soda. When you put an acid and a base together, it creates a gas. In this case, it creates a carbon dioxide. And we're going to be able to see the carbon dioxide because of our soap and our color. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a spoonful of baking soda and you're just going to kind of sprinkle it on top. Not tons, just a little bit. And we're going to watch carefully. Now, what you may need to do is take that spoon again and just push a couple of more holes into it and do a little squeeze of the lemon. And you're going to start to see we are having a reaction. And because we added the soap, it makes it a little extra bubbly. So as that baking soda gets in there, chemical reaction is taking place. The acid is mixing with the base and it's creating carbon dioxide. So this is kind of like your standard volcano that you make with vinegar and baking soda. But here you can see that you can do it with the lemon. If you don't have a lemon, you can also try it with lemon juice. But as you learned from some of the videos, other foods have acid in it as well. So if you wanted to be a real scientist, you could always explore to see if there's other foods or fruit juices that you could use to make a type of volcano. So you can just go ahead and continue experimenting with your Lemon-cano, and you also have another half. Thank you for making a chemical reaction with me, and I hope to see you soon.